Christina. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are looking for step-by-step DIYs for decor for your home, this is the right place. This is where you want to be. So today I am going to be taking this little sign, this little plaque that I got from Dollar Tree, and doing something pretty simple with it. Some of my crafts I go into a lot of detail with, but for this craft, it's going to be pretty simple. It's going to be a quick one. So I hope you stick around and see what I make. Okay, let's get started. This should be a simple one, shouldn't take too long. Sorry about my voice. Just found out after my cold, now I have a sinus infection, so I haven't been feeling the best lately. So I am going to try to get through this craft so I can go sit down and relax. What I am using right now is my Waverly Antique Wax, and this is just a little one of those cardboard signs from Dollar Tree. So I'm just taking a little bit of the wax and just kind of darkening this up so it doesn't look just like cardboard. So just putting a little bit of a stain on there. So I'm going to go ahead, get this done, wait for it to dry, and then I'm going to show you what I'm going to do next. Like I said, this is hopefully going to be one of the easier ones and quicker ones that I do. Hopefully this video doesn't end up too long, but who knows. Okay, while my family is drying, I am going to take my little plaque here that I got from Dollar Tree, and then I have some scrapbook paper. I just picked out a color that I liked, and I am going to try, I don't know how well it's going to work, but I'm going to set this on here and then try to keep it still and then press on here so I can get the outline of my plaque. I'm hoping it doesn't move, but I don't know, I guess we'll see how this works out. I don't know if it's going to work or not, but I'm going to try it. So I'm just going to keep pressing until I get a nice outline. And then basically I'm going to have to cut it and then probably cut it down to fit in there. If this doesn't work, I do have another idea, so we'll try this first though. Okay, I have a little bit of an outline here. I'm going to do my best to try to cut this out. It's kind of hard to see, but I do have more scrapbook paper, so I can always try it again. It's kind of hard to see where the corners are here. I think there's a shadow being cast on the paper. It's kind of hard to see. I even have my glasses on too. Okay, I'm probably not taking my time. I have a feeling this is not going to turn out. What I originally wanted to do, or I thought, was to get some cute tissue paper and put it on there, but I have not been to Dollar Tree in a while. I need to really get there. It's not looking very good. Okay, let's see how bad I did. Okay, well that is pretty bad. I'm thinking maybe I could try to take my X-Acto knife to cut it out a little bit better. Maybe. I don't know how that would work. It might work as long as my paper stays still. Maybe I need to try like some tape or something to hold it down. I didn't really want to Mod Podge it on there yet, but something with a little grip would help me out here. Okay, I'm gonna try this. It's removable adhesive. I use it for scrapbooking. and card making. I'm gonna put some of this on here and see if that doesn't work. Try to put it on there. Okay, and then I'm gonna position it on here. Hopefully that'll keep it in place while I try to cut this out. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it definitely has to be better than what it is. All right, so this is gonna take me a little bit. I will come back once I get this cut out and we'll see how it went. So what I was doing was not working. So now I have these clamps that I got from Dollar Tree, and while the clamps were on there, I kind of pushed it around. Now it's moving, of course. Kind of pushed it around and got the outline of it. So now I'm just trying to follow as closely to the edge as I can. It's kind of hard, but I think it's doable. The edges don't have to be like super straight because I'm gonna outline the outside of this frame anyways. Oh geez. Can't tell if that, oh no, that's fine. So once I get this excess paper off of here, then I can go around and kind of fine tune it a little bit. So this is taking a little bit longer than I wanted to, but I'm hoping once I get done here, it's gonna look okay. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get this finished getting cut out or chopped to pieces, whatever. Okay, I have it cut out pretty decent. It's not perfect, but it's not horrible. So I'm gonna take my Mod Podge and put it on my sign here. And then I am going to put my paper on there. So I'm just kind of taking my time, trying not to get it on the outside. So I'm gonna spread this whole thing with Mod Podge, and then I'm gonna put my paper on. And then I am going to show you how I am going to cover up my very bad, I guess, cut job, you would say, because it is not cut the best. Okay, I have my Mod Podge on there, and then I'm going to stick my paper on here. I know it looks really bad right now, but I'm hoping I'm going to be able to cover that up. So I'm just going to get this stuck down really good, and then maybe try to trim a couple little edges here. See how that works. I got some that are sticking up just a little too far. I'm thinking I should be able to take some of that off of there. So I'm going to go ahead and get that done. And then I'm going to show you how I'm going to cover up these edges. Okay, so I have that on there, and now I'm going to take, hopefully if it comes out, my art glitter glue here, and I am going to start putting this twine or jute that I have here around there. Looks like it's a little hard. I haven't used it for a little bit. Oh, it is just not going to come out. I really didn't want to use hot glue. Okay, so I got it pretty much unclogged. It's still kind of hard to squeeze out, but not horrible. So I'm going to go ahead and use this to put my twine around the edge. And then that way you won't see my horrible cut job. So I'm going to go ahead and go all the way around my little frame here. Okay, my frame is all done. I think it looks pretty cute. So then the last thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to put my little family on there. So I'm going to use my glitter glue
and stick that on the back of my sign. I got this glitter glue off of Amazon. It works really nice for little projects. Oh, except for when your tip your tip finally unglues or unsticks. And then it squirts everywhere apparently. But anyways, this glitter glue, I really like this stuff. I'm gonna, got kind of a mess here. I guess it was still stuck. Stick little dots on there. It should dry clear, so it should be, even if it gushes out a little bit, it should be okay. Yeah, it's really coming out now. Oh, I need a little dot up there. All right, let's see if I can get this on straight. I should probably lay it down. I think that looks good right there. All right, and then I'm gonna hold it down till it dries. Well, not till it dries, but till it's sticking really good. Okay, it is finished. I think it turned out really cute, and it was such a simple project. I mean, the paper cutting, you know, that was kind of a pain in the butt, but I did get it to look pretty decent, so I'm kind of impressed with it. But yeah, super low cost, and I wish I would have bought more of these frames because I think that's kind of a good idea. If you did tiered trays, that would probably look really nice on a tiered tray. So that is the end of this one. If you made it through the end, I just want to say thank you. Also, I would really love it if you like my video, share, and subscribe. Turn the bell on so you get notified when I upload. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great night. Bye.